Breakfast Burn Review. In today's video we will be talking about the latest product release called Breakfast Burn. The world's first and only revolutionary intraoral formulation technology can boost fat burning and increase resting metabolic rate when taken with breakfast, while instantly boosting your health, energy and well-being at the same time. Not being able to follow a diet or exercise plan is one of the biggest issues people encounter when trying to lose weight. Numerous factors, such as cravings, mood swings, and social occasions, may be to blame for this. Additionally, a number of diet pills and supplements have side effects, which demotivates most people and causes them to give up. You must create a calorie deficit, or burn more calories than you consume, in order to successfully lose weight. Your metabolism also has a significant impact on your efforts to lose weight. It is the method your body uses to turn food into energy. Maintaining a healthy weight and remaining active throughout the day depend on your metabolism remaining at its peak. No matter how hard you work or what diet you adhere to, there won't be any results if you don't have a healthy metabolic rate. Although there are many metabolic stimulants on the market, Breakfast Burn stands out from the competition thanks to its potent combination of natural metabolism stimulants and distinctive liquid formation, which is both simple to take and highly effective. The Breakfast Burn formula, according to the official website, helps people lose weight by increasing their energy and metabolism. The weight loss supplement Breakfast Burn works quickly to speed up your metabolism. Since the product was recently introduced to the nutritional supplement market, it has received a lot of attention. Clinical studies have demonstrated that the formula's highly effective organic compounds can help with weight loss and metabolic rate stimulation. This product is distinctive because it includes a potent intraoral formulation that enables all the nutrients to be immediately absorbed into the body after consumption. The remedy is very powerful when used after eating. It is quickly absorbed by your system during digestion. Manufacturers use ingredients that have undergone laboratory testing and adhere to the highest quality standards to create Breakfast Burn. There are no unfavorable side effects or addictive qualities in the supplement. Taking pills or consuming weight loss shakes is not the best way to lose weight. Whether you are relaxing or going about your daily activities, you can turn your body into a fat-burning machine by using Breakfast Burn Spray. By increasing your metabolism, Breakfast Burn essentially accelerates the rate at which your body burns calories. Numerous factors, such as increased thyroid gland activity and a decrease in intake of body fat reserves, are to blame for this. Although it may at first seem challenging to burn more calories than you consume, as your body gets better at burning what it has already stored, this process gets simpler over time. Customers can only purchase Breakfast Burn from its official website. No other online store or e-commerce website offers the product for sale. Due to its recent arrival on the market, scammers might use the name Breakfast Burn to sell subpar goods. Therefore, be sure to only purchase Breakfast Burn from its official website. Although Breakfast Burn is guaranteed to work for everyone, results can occasionally vary. Your money is completely secure even if you fail to notice the difference. They want you to be able to return Breakfast Burn for a full refund if you're not completely satisfied with it. Because of this, a money-back guarantee is included with each 180-day bottle. Breakfast Burn Weight Loss Spray provides the right nutrients to start your day off on the best possible foot. It has organic components that aid in weight loss, speed up metabolism, and give you energy for the morning. It not only makes it simple and quick to lose weight, but it is also very good for your body. The Breakfast Burn is simple to use and has no negative side effects when taken daily. So, Breakfast Burn is the product for you if you're looking for a quick and simple solution to help you reach your fitness goals. Click the link in the description for details.